Jeez, I finally got one to go down. That one's hanging, that last one's hanging like in my last videos. It's a challenge logging. I love it so much though. It's definitely a challenge. Snow's getting deep. I'm in a swamp. You know, you got trees, you cut the marked ones underneath, they're hanging up, and the ones that aren't marked. So I gotta watch for them or stay away from them and get Frank to pull them down. But I love this life. I wouldn't trade it for nothing. Even all the danger, everything about it. I'm out here by myself. I get to do what I want, make what I want. It's really got advantages besides the danger, which you have to keep in mind every day. But I love it.